Hi guys, in this video, I am going to be showing you how you can add Stripe to your Shopify store. So first what you have to do is just open up your Shopify store and log into your account. So Stripe is basically a payment method, a payment provider that we can add, and it helps us to accept payments through credit card and different options. So to add Stripe, what you need to do is go to your settings. And then in settings, you have to go to payment. Here I can add different payment providers and methods. So you need to go to payment providers right here. And we get a lot of different options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on choose a provider. And now we have to search for Stripe here. There it is, Stripe. Now you can see it is allowing us to add Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Apple Pay as well. So you will just select Stripe. And now you need to enter to your Stripe through your Shopify. So I'm just going to enter my email address that I have on Stripe. And now enter the password and it will just send a verification to your email. And after verification, you will be able to connect your Shopify to your Stripe really easily. This is how you can connect Stripe as a payment method to your Shopify store. So that's all for today's video. Make sure to give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.